Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can fix a bug that is causing notifications from WhatsApp app not showing up on your home screen. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, make sure to put your likes, write comments below the video, and let's get started. So friends, first of all I recommend you to go to your phone settings. Next, swipe down to the WhatsApp app, open it. Next, select the notifications section here. And if you have them disabled, that's the direct reason why you're not getting notifications. And you will just have to adjust and enable by clicking on this button right here. So friends, you will now receive notifications from WhatsApp app. Also friends, if you have a notification that looks like this, that you only get notifications on your lock screen, then you can connect other types of notifications to make sure that all the notifications will come from WhatsApp app. Also friends, I recommend you to go to the WhatsApp app itself. If you have notifications enabled in your settings, then in WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Notifications, and at the bottom, find Reset Notification Settings and confirm your action. Once you reset the settings, then your problem will most likely be solved and you will still get notifications from WhatsApp. I also recommend you to come to the chat section. And for example, if you are not getting notifications from any particular one person or one group, or let's say 2 or 3 people, then go to that person, click on their name at the top. Then also find the notifications, click on them. And you might see that you have notifications from that person or from that group turned off. To do that, click on the very first option. And here you can see that you may have notifications turned off. If that's the case, then just turn back on notifications for that particular person, and then you'll be able to receive notifications from that person. Friends, these are the ways you can fix the errors due to which WhatsApp notifications might not be displayed on your home screen. I really hope, friends, that this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please write your comments, make sure to put likes, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.